Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this channel, what I do basically is to share various opportunities that I've found useful, and also I share most of the platform that I've benefited from, so to encourage you guys to take the bold step and benefit from such platforms. And when I share such opportunities, I recommend what to do in order to benefit from them. So this particular platform has been in existence for the past 2 months. It has been running perfectly, and there is no record of red flag yet. So, and this platform now has been launching various rewards which has been coming on regular basis, and currently there is a there is a reward event that is ongoing, whereby a new user or someone who wants to open another account can literally receive $5 sign up bonus. So when you look right here, you see that there is a sign up to get $5 USD 5 USDT for free. And how do you do that? You simply need to use the link in the description of this video and get registered. So when you register, you get $5 instantly. Now what do? You need to purchase a miner. So because this platform is a mining platform whereby you get to make a deposit and purchase a miner for yourself and start making money online. So it's just a very simple platform that is user friendly. So how it works is that when you come to this place after registration, so when you come to this machine, so right down here at the middle button center, you have to click on machine. So when you click on machine, you see that there are tons of machines that will be issued. So you have to purchase the one you can afford to buy. Then immediately you purchase a miner here, it will be running for you for continually like that. So on daily basis, the miner you purchase determine the profits that you'll be making in every 24 hours. So how it works now is when you come to this place, you buy miner, you click on buy now. So assuming you have made a deposit, so I'm going to guide you on how to make a deposit and also on how to withdraw your money on this platform. It's very simple. And one thing that is also good here is that they have already introduced a method of payment and a method of withdrawal through Naira, and also the already existing USDT method. So what you need to do, assuming you have deposited money, so this particular miner, the least miner you can purchase here is 20 USDT miner. So the unit price is 20 USDT. So when you scroll down, you also see 50 USDT here. So depending on the one that you have the capital to purchase, so now this one will cost 100 USDT, and each miner has its own profit according to the cost. Now what you do is to come to this place, assuming I'll be using this particular miner of $20 to guide you how to purchase and also benefit from the $5 bonus. Now you click on buy now. So assuming you have deposited, so what you'll be earning on daily basis according to this plan is $1.1. So from this particular miner, so and weekly output will be 7.7 USDT. So monthly you'll be realizing that you have to be withdrawing, you must have withdrawn $33 every month from this platform. Now annually income that you'll be generating is $401.5. so eternal unit 5 units only. So and the number of units you can purchase here is just 5 units only. So for this particular miner, for yourself, you can purchase this one and start earning on daily basis. So the billing profit, which is what drops into your balance, is $1.1 every 24 hours. So guys, it's very important you grab this opportunity now. It's still hot, and a lot of bonuses are being given out on this platform. So and I've benefited most of the events that have already been scheduled on this platform. Now how do you check the other stuffs that you need to know? So you come to your home. So when you click on home here, so you wait for it to load up, you see that there are many functions here. You can join the official group on Telegram and also contact the online customer service that they have already introduced recently. Now you can also share your link by copying the link behind service, so you can withdraw and also recharge. Now, how do you top up on this platform in order to make your purchase of miner? So you click on recharge and you see that a page will pop up. You wait for it to load up. You see that the currency is USDT. Now, is for this particular USDT option. So assuming you want to pay with dollars, you need to select this. You need to allow this to be a naira in USDT rather. Then you click this and it will come up yellow. Now it come up green rather. Now the next thing you are going to do is to come to this place. Let me change my pen. So you now come to this place and copy this address link. Go to Binance or Trust Wallet or any wallet that you have and transfer 20 USDT to purchase this miner. Now the next thing you are going to do, if you want to, another option for payment is naira for Nigerians. So you need to type the amount you need to deposit. So assuming you've checked what $20 is equivalent to a naira, you have to type it here. So assuming is let me say 14,000. Let's say it's 14,000. You need to type $20. So immediately you type $20, the money that the currency is in USDT. So what you need to do is to type the $20 here, then the equivalent amount you need to deposit will pop up in naira. So you just need to copy this payment amount, then submit. Immediately you click submit, a page will pop up where you need to copy the account number and then go to your mobile app, transfer this amount, then you finish the process. Now you wait for your amount to reflect in your account. So and the minimum amount you can recharge is $5 if you have already had some money in your balance, or if you just want to deposit $5. But that might not really make any sense if you have not been on this platform or if you don't purchase a miner, because it cannot afford you buying a miner. So what you need to do is to deposit $20 or 15,000 naira and then purchase a miner. Immediately you purchase a miner, you now withdraw that $5 bonus that they will be giving to you. Then what you know that will remain in your balance as the money you deposited is $15. So that is just the secret. So just recharge $20 if you are purchasing $20 miner. Now it's just one-time payment. So if your recharge is less than the minimum, it will not be credited and it cannot be returned. So just be careful, read these instructions very well. And the minimum withdrawal also is $5. So and currently you see that when I go to asset, so when I click right here on asset, you see that I have already earned my current balance is $9 here. So you can see that I have $9 here and I've already withdrawn up to 3 times on this platform. So it's quite profiting, and I recommend, if you are looking for a paying website now where you can invest and be making money on daily basis, I recommend you join this platform. And this is second to AI mining platform. So the two platforms that I can recommend you to join as for me is AI mining and super miner. So these are the two platforms that are currently paying very well, both to Nigerians and to those. And this particular one you can purchase, you can also join outside Nigeria. So it's basically for global body, so it's not for only Nigerians that can join. So that is how it works, guys. So you can sign up using the link in the description of this video and unlock $5 bonus. Then deposit money and then start purchasing miner for yourself and start earning also on daily basis. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.